Have you ever felt the frustration of a no-show? That sinking feeling when you blocked out precious time, prepared everything, and nothing? Just an empty chair and a lost opportunity? If you're running a service-based business, whether you're a hairstylist, a massage therapist, a personal trainer, or anything in between, you know exactly what I'm talking about. And let's be real, in today's world, time is money. So, how do you protect yourself from these costly no-shows and cancellations? How do you ensure that your time and resources are valued? A montage of quick, relatable visuals flashes across the screen. A frustrated-looking person checking their phone, an empty salon chair, a calendar with crossed-out appointments, a busy person juggling multiple tasks. We've all been there, haven't we? You pour your heart and soul into your business, and then a simple missed appointment can throw your entire day off track. It's not just about the lost revenue. It's about the wasted preparation, the missed opportunity to serve another client, and the general feeling of being undervalued. In a world where online booking is the norm, it's crucial to have systems in place that safeguard your time and commitment. And that's where deposits come in. They're not just about collecting money. They're about establishing a mutual respect between you and your clients. Think about it. When a client puts down a deposit, they're making a commitment. They're saying, I value your time and I intend to keep this appointment. It's a simple act, but it carries a lot of weight. Deposits can significantly reduce no-shows, improve your cash flow, and ultimately give you peace of mind. But how do you actually implement this? How do you seamlessly integrate deposits into your booking system without creating friction for your clients? That's what we're going to dive into today, specifically focusing on how to require deposits on Square appointments. The screen transitions to a clean, visually appealing screen recording of a Square appointments dashboard. Square Appointments is a powerful tool that many businesses rely on for managing their bookings. And the good news is it makes requiring deposits incredibly easy. Let's walk through the steps together. First, you'll need to log in to your Square Appointments dashboard. Once you're in, navigate to the Online Booking section. This is where you'll find the settings for your appointment types and booking policies. Now, let's create a new appointment type or edit an existing one. For example, let's say you're a hairstylist offering a deluxe haircut and style service. Click on the service to edit it. You'll see various options, including the service name, duration, price, and location. Scroll down until you see the Deposits section. Here's where the magic happens. The screen recording highlights the Deposits section. You'll have a few options for setting up your deposit. You can choose to require a fixed amount, a percentage of the service price, or both. Let's say you want to require a 20% deposit for your deluxe haircut and style service. Simply select Percentage and enter 20. You can also set a minimum deposit amount if you wish. This ensures that even for lower price services, you're still collecting a reasonable deposit. But it doesn't stop there. Square Appointments allows you to customize the deposit policy further. You can specify when the deposit is due, whether it's immediately upon booking or a certain number of days before the appointment. You can also craft a clear and concise message explaining your deposit policy to your clients. Transparency is key here. You want your clients to understand why you're requiring a deposit and how it benefits both parties. The screen recording shows the customization options for deposit policies and messages. For example, you might write something like, a 20% deposit is required to secure your appointment. This deposit will be applied towards your final service cost. In the event of a cancellation within 24 hours of your appointment, the deposit will be non-refundable. Clear and concise language is essential to avoid any confusion or misunderstandings. You can also specify the cancellation policy directly within the deposit settings, ensuring clients are fully informed before booking. Now, let's talk about how this looks from the client's perspective. When a client books an appointment online, they'll see the deposit amount clearly displayed before they confirm their booking. They'll be prompted to enter their payment information and pay the deposit securely through Square's platform. This seamless integration ensures a smooth and professional booking experience for your clients. The screen recording transitions to a simulated client booking experience. Once the deposit is paid, you'll receive a notification in your Square Appointments dashboard, and the appointment will be confirmed. You can easily track all your deposits and appointments in one place, giving you a clear overview of your schedule and finances. But here's a pro tip. Consider offering a bit of flexibility with your deposit policy. For example, you might offer a full refund if the client reschedules their appointment within a certain time frame. This can help build goodwill and encourage clients to reschedule rather than cancel altogether. You could also create packages where if a client purchases a certain amount of sessions in advance, you waive a deposit for each individual session. This encourages client loyalty. Another important aspect to consider is how you handle refunds. Square Appointments allows you to easily refund deposits directly through the platform. Just navigate to the appointment details and select the refund option. This ensures a seamless and professional refund process, minimizing any potential disputes. Now, let's address some common concerns. Some businesses worry that requiring deposits might deter potential clients. While it's true that some clients might be hesitant at first, the benefits far outweigh the risks. By clearly communicating your deposit policy and providing a seamless booking experience, you can minimize any potential friction. Remember, clients who value your services will understand the importance of a deposit. It's a sign of professionalism and commitment, and it helps to filter out those who aren't serious about their appointments. Additionally, consider the psychological aspect of a deposit. When a client pays a deposit, they're more likely to show up for their appointment. They've invested their own money, creating a sense of commitment and accountability. It's a subtle but powerful way to reduce no-shows and improve your client retention. Integrating deposits into your Square Appointments workflow is not just about protecting your revenue. It's about building a sustainable and professional business. It's about valuing your time and establishing clear expectations with your clients. By implementing a well-defined deposit policy, you can create a win-win situation for both you and your clients. You can minimize no-shows, improve your cash flow, and focus on what you do best, providing exceptional services. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.